Welcome to the fast version of how do we do journals. This has only got 15 minutes, so I'm going to get through in 15 minutes if I can. Press pause on yours if you're having difficulty keeping up, or you can just watch this and do it in your own time. So we're going to do the cash receipts journal first. First step you're going to do is go through here and highlight any cash receipts. So we're going to go through there, hold control key down, click, click. We've got money coming in here, money coming in here, holding the control key down there, sales receipts, just yellow them. So we're going to do our cash receipts, the others are cash payments. First one happens on the 24th of February. We've got FPOS sales, so we type sales, FPOS EFT, unbanked 3,200. Just do the unbanked part at this stage. We could put our two FPOS stuff together. And that's 526.16. And then we go back and we do our non-FPOS, our cash one. So we've got sales there, CRT for cash register tape, 392. Great. Finish those ones down to the 25th. And the first one is sales. And it's FPOS as well. And we'll give you the right amount, 4837.61. 26. Here we've got sales, and that's FPOS. Any other FPOS on that day? No. So we've got repairs, cash register tape. 720. Hope you're just looking here as we go as well. And the other one's equipment. We don't write old. It's just that we've sold equipment. And only 50 bucks for that. On to the next date, 27th. And that's for sales using FPOS. And repairs, cash register tape. And the last one we've got there is 28th, sales, and again it's FPOS. Good, so now you've got that, we do the bank figure. So we're going to add together all the FPOS on one day. Only one amount that came out of the cash register tape. Here, only one FPOS on that day, so the whole amount will go into the bank. Same on that day. Here we've got two lots of money going into the cash register. So we'll put them together and take them to the bank. One FPOS on that day. One out of the cash register on that day, and one FPOS on that day. Done. Over here, the GST, type the unbanked. We're going to try that again. Is equal to our unbanked times 3 divided by 23, and I'll fill that down. Awesome. To make things real fast, I'm going to put everything in sales and then transfer the others over. So put your sales fill down, and you can see that's not sales, so I'll grab and drag. That's not sales, that's repairs. That's neither sales nor repairs, so others. That's repairs. Almost finished the cash register. Now the cash payments journal, all the others. So we've got 24th, drawings. Through the ATM, and the amount was, took out 200 bucks for himself or herself. We've got some checks written. First check's wages. We don't write annas, we just write what it's for. Okay. 1328.22. We've got wages for Sam, 233, and Sam got paid $1,670.65. We had rent, Note how short these ones are. Don't write a lot in here. 3260. Expensive rent. Advertising. We're not writing in the name of who we're advertising with, just where it goes in the amount. Purchases. $3982.64. And then we've got 25th. Now, where it says gems, I wouldn't write purchases. Gems is going to be purchases because we're a gems shop. 3982.64. I see I've made a mistake up here. That one should be 3492. That's better. And last one, 27th. And that one there is going to be drawings because it's going into personal account. So owner's taking money out for themselves using telephone transfer, 6,000. Now when I'm doing this one, the GST, you see there's no GST drawing wages, so I'm only going to start here. Equals this figure times 3 divided by 23. Fill it down. There is GST on advertising and purchases, but not drawings at the bottom. Drawings, no GST. Wages, there's a couple, makes it easy because that means I can fill down. Rent isn't one of the headings up the top, so we'll put that in the sundry column. Same with advertising. And nicely, we've got two purchases together. So the amount minus the GST, because they're together, I can fill down. And last one's drawings. Okay, first part done. Scroll across. Okay, we're going to now check off the bank statement with the journals. So we go through the bank column here. We're making sure what we've received actually makes it to the bank. That one does. I'm holding the control key down so I can select many quickly. And yellow them to show they've been done. Same with the cash payments. Is that one there? 1328, good. 1670, yep. 32, can't see it, can you? 844, can't see that one. 39 is there, and 6,000 is there. First step of the bank rec done. Second step is to update the journals. So you can see here we've got some things that are not yellowed. So the first one was that one, the IRD. Looks like they paid us some money. We'll put IRD. Actually, we won't. We'll put GST. And it come through the bank statement. It doesn't go unbanked because it doesn't make the cash register. All right, and I'll yellow that one out there and there to show they've both been done. And now this is finished. I can get those totals. Make sure you go right up to the top and fill across. And I'll just check that everything's allocated. And those two figures are the same, so that's brilliant. Over here, we've got this figure for electricity on 24th. Hasn't made it to our journals. From the bank statement and got the figure. And the other one is bank fees on the 28th. Doesn't matter the order down the bottom in terms of the dates here. Again, bank statement. And we can yellow those ones out. They've all been done. Hold the control, done, done, and colour those in. Awesome. So we've finished all those. Those are yellow. Now we're going to go to our bank account over here. So in our bank account, I think the dates are wrong a little bit here. The opening date in the bank statement, this one's nice because it goes in order down. But the opening balance in our bank statement, find the earliest date, which is that one. And remember we put DR because it's an asset. Total receipts, debit column because it's going to increase. Take your bank figure and we're going to add those two together. So if we had no payments, we'd have a huge amount in our bank. But we do have some payments, which we haven't added up yet. So we'll auto sum all of those. Fill across. I'll just check that everything's allocated. Oh, those two figures are not the same. So obviously not everything's allocated, and I can see these two are the problem. This one's going to have GST on it, and bank fees are not. Yay, balance. Good. So payments is this total figure here. So the amount of money in our bank at the end is all the money coming in minus all the money going out, and it's still positive, so we put DR there. Last part, and we've got a few minutes left. Bank statement. According to the bank statement here, our closing balance is that one, 28th. So we're going to put that in. This is really, really important. You get these simple marks right. Deposits not yet credited. We're going to click on this one. Now, cash receipts journal, see that one there? That's money that's come into our cash register, but hasn't yet made the bank. Because it's still in the till, we haven't gone to the bank with it yet. Unpresented checks, so we're looking in our cash payments journal for the ones that haven't been presented, and you can see that rent one and that purchases one haven't been presented yet. So I'm going to type equals and just reference equals 234 and equals 236. Once I've got those two, I can fill across and then add them up. So quite a lot of money of unpresented checks. Notice how it hasn't got any cents on the end. So I'll just press a comma. It'll bring it to cents. Lastly, I'm going to go equals that minus that. You can tell it's minus because it says less. And lo and behold, that one and that one are exactly the same. And if you could see me now, I'd be standing up doing a victory dance saying, "Thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. That is excellence." Good. Hope you get to there. Slow it down as you're going through. Play it through again. Do it with the video. Then do it on your own. See if you can get the same answer. See you in class.